Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get rich in Standoff 2. So this works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the guide. And I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version. So basically what you need to do is go ahead and go over to this website, which I'm going to show you. It's called hexmods.com. So once you're on the site, you're going to see a ton of modded apps. So we're going to go straight to the search bar and type in Standoff 2. And as you can see, Standoff 2. So press on it, press the download button, and it's going to start to download the mod. So this is usually pretty fast, so let's just give it a second here to go ahead and download. Now before you actually get your Standoff 2 mod with unlimited resources, you will have to do a verification where you have to download 2 apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% free and they're from the real app store. So as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing. So it doesn't matter which app you do, just make sure you do 2 of them. And the big thing that messes people up is they don't read the instructions. So for instance, TikTok says run for 30 seconds, text now, same thing. Install and open, make a 30-second call. So just press on that, press tap to install, and it should bring you to the Play Store. If you're on an iPhone, it'll bring you to the App Store. You download the app, you're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed, but make sure you do that correctly or you will not get the Standoff 2 hack. So this is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends about the method, because this is super wild, bro. It's updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, because there's a lot of epic guides I'll make in the future. You don't have to subscribe if you don't want, but make sure you do the verification, guys. Very easy to do. And once you do it, guys, you will get your Standoff 2 mod. Now, bear in mind down here it does say checking completion, so it is actively looking to make sure you did it, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Super crazy, and it fully works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel, and peace out.